Bacon Ranch Crack Burgers. And no, I didn't come up with that name.
Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone, I found this recipe on Facebook and I wanted to try it to see if it lived up to the hype. So I started off with about 1.5 pounds of ground beef, and you need 3 tablespoons of ranch dressing mix. I did measure it out and it turns out it's the whole envelope. So 1 envelope of ranch dressing mix, 1/4 cup of bacon that's been cooked and crumbled, 3 tablespoons of sour cream, and 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. And then you just mix it together. And you can mix it with a spoon, but you know, you probably need to get in there with your hands, of course, to do it properly. Then you divide this up into patties. I ended up with 6 patties, about 1/4 pound each or so, and I made them fairly thin because I'm going to cook these on my grill, and they just cook better and faster if they're a little bit flatter. This is my grill. You can see me in my Crocs and my shorts in the background. Note to self about camera angles. And that mat on the barbecue is just keeps them from catching fire. And I just find it a really useful thing to have for your grill. You can see the grease kind of flows off. It does flare up, but your burgers don't burn. So I cooked them until they were done. And then actually I put them on the grill just by themselves without the mat, just to get a little bit of that smoky flavor in there. And there you go. Serve up your burgers. You can serve them with cheese or whatever else you want. These are okay. They're okay. They have a decent flavor. Nothing spectacular. Certainly not crack name worthy, in my opinion. If I were to make these again, I probably would put the cheese in little chunks instead of shredded, so that maybe you'd get little pockets of cheese in your burger. But overall, yeah, they're okay. I have another burger recipe on my channel. These are called party burgers. They're a little bit different. It has like a loose meat style instead of a patty, and you bake them in the oven, and it's a perfect recipe if you have to cook for a crowd, and they're delicious. So why don't you give these a try? And thank you so much for watching.